Marketing and sales strategies. Having established a strong foundation for your candle business, it's time to delve into the world of marketing and sales. These crucial elements will determine how effectively you reach your target audience, generate interest in your handcrafted creations, and ultimately convert those interested customers into loyal brand advocates. This section will equip you with a variety of marketing and sales strategies to illuminate your brand and bring the warm glow of your candles into homes across the market. Understanding your marketing mix. Marketing your candle business involves a strategic blend of various elements, often referred to as the marketing mix. These elements work together to create a cohesive and effective marketing strategy. Here's a breakdown of the key components. Product. This encompasses the physical product itself, including your candle designs, fragrances, and packaging. Ensure your product offerings resonate with your niche and cater to your target audience's needs and preferences. Price. Determine a pricing strategy that considers your production costs, desired profit margin, and market competitiveness. Offer competitive pricing while ensuring your prices accurately reflect the value proposition of your handcrafted candles. Place. This refers to the channels you utilize to make your candles available to your target audience. This could include selling online through your own website or e-commerce platforms, participating in craft fairs and farmers markets, or partnering with local retailers. Promotion. This involves all your communication and advertising efforts to generate brand awareness and drive sales. This includes social media marketing, email marketing, influencer collaborations, content creation, and public relations outreach. Crafting a compelling marketing message. Developing a clear and concise marketing message is crucial for connecting with your target audience. Here are some elements to consider. Highlighting your niche. Clearly communicate what makes your candles unique within your chosen niche. Do you use sustainable practices? Offer unique fragrance combinations? Emphasize the aspects that set you apart from competitors. Emotional connection. Candles evoke emotions and memories. Craft your marketing message to tap into these emotions. Focus on the feeling of relaxation, the sense of luxury, or the nostalgic charm your candles create. Storytelling power. Weave your brand story into your marketing message. Share your passion for candle making, the inspiration behind your fragrances, or the values your brand embodies. Marketing channels for candle businesses. The digital age offers a plethora of marketing channels to reach your target audience. Here are some effective options for promoting your candle business. Social media marketing. Leverage platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to showcase your beautiful candles, share behind-the-scenes glimpses, and connect with potential customers. Run engaging contests, collaborate with micro-influencers in your niche, and utilize targeted advertising to reach your ideal audience. Content marketing. Create informative and engaging content related to candles, such as blog posts on fragrance combinations, tips for candle care, or the benefits of aromatherapy. This content positions you as an expert and attracts organic traffic to your website. Email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters featuring new product launches, promotional offers, and brand stories. Segment your email list to target specific customer groups with personalized messages. Public relations. Reach out to local media outlets, bloggers, and lifestyle publications for product reviews or feature stories. Participation in relevant industry events can also generate brand awareness. Collaborations. Partner with other small businesses that complement your brand. This could involve collaborating with a local florist to create gift baskets or partnering with a graphic designer to create limited edition packaging. Building a strong sales strategy. Beyond generating brand awareness, your marketing efforts should ultimately lead to sales. Here are some key sales strategies to consider. E-commerce website. If you plan to sell online, invest in a user-friendly e-commerce website. Ensure your website is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and optimized for mobile devices. High-quality product photography. Professional product photography is crucial for showcasing the beauty of your candles online. Invest in high-resolution images that capture the essence of your brand. Customer reviews and testimonials. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on your website and social media platforms. Positive testimonials build trust and credibility with potential customers. Promotional offers and discounts. Run strategic promotions and offer discounts to incentivize purchases. Consider offering free shipping on orders above a certain amount or limited time discounts for new customers. Subscription boxes. Subscription boxes are a great way to generate recurring revenue and build customer loyalty. Offer curated candle subscriptions with seasonal scents or surprise combinations. Metrics that matter. Tracking your marketing and sales success. Tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, allows you to measure the effectiveness of your marketing and sales strategies and identify areas for improvement. Here are some crucial metrics to monitor. Website traffic. Track the number of visitors to your website and analyze where they come from, social media, organic search, etc. This helps you understand which marketing channels are driving the most traffic. Conversion rate. The conversion rate refers to the percentage of website visitors who make a purchase. Monitor this metric to assess the effectiveness of your website and sales funnel. Customer acquisition cost, CAC. This metric measures the cost associated with acquiring a new customer. Track your CAC to ensure your marketing efforts are generating sales at a sustainable cost. Customer lifetime value, CLTV. This metric represents the total revenue a customer is expected to generate throughout their relationship with your brand. Focusing on increasing CLTV helps you cultivate loyal customers who return for repeat purchases. Social media engagement. Track metrics like likes, shares, comments, and follower growth on your social media platforms. High engagement indicates that your content resonates with your audience. Email marketing metrics. Monitor open rates, click-through rates, and unsubscribe rates for your email campaigns. These metrics provide insights into the effectiveness of your email marketing efforts. Sales by product. Track sales data to identify your most popular products and adjust your inventory management accordingly. Understanding customer preferences allows you to refine your product offerings and cater to your target audience's evolving desires. Optimizing your marketing and sales strategies. By analyzing your KPIs, you can gain valuable insights and continuously improve your marketing and sales strategies. Here are some best practices. A/B testing. Test different variations of your marketing materials, website design, or product descriptions to see which version performs better. A/B testing helps you optimize your marketing efforts for maximum impact. Embrace analytics. Utilize website analytics tools and social media insights to track user behavior and understand your audience better. These tools provide valuable data to inform your marketing strategies. Stay flexible and adaptable. The marketing landscape is constantly evolving. Be prepared to adapt your strategies based on new trends, customer feedback, and market changes. Customer focus. Always prioritize your customers. Gather feedback through surveys, respond to comments, and strive to deliver exceptional customer service. This builds brand loyalty and encourages repeat business. Conclusion. Building a thriving candle business requires a well-rounded approach that combines a strong product offering with strategic marketing and sales techniques. By understanding your marketing mix, crafting a compelling message, utilizing the right channels, and tracking your KPIs, you can effectively reach your target audience, convert interest into sales, and illuminate the world with the warm glow of your unique candle creations. Remember, success takes time, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Embrace the journey, stay passionate about your craft, and watch your candle business empire illuminate the market with its brilliance.